Hi, I'm Phil from Otis Inc. LA and RAD USA Direct. Welcome to Wheel Talk. In today's segment, we're going to talk about all the different kinds of wheel fasteners. Basically, lug bolts fall into three kinds of categories. It's either a lug nut, it's a lug bolt, or it's a wheel lock. The different kinds of lug nuts available are specialty lug nuts such as Range Rover, Toyota and Lexus, or Porsche. We also carry regular lug nuts, as you see here, in zinc or in black. We have open-end lug nuts, and we carry the hard-to-find PCD variation lug nuts, which help you fit close but not quite bolt patterns. In the lug bolts, we have straight lug bolts in ball seat, and we also have them in cone seat, in black and in zinc. We have short head lug bolts for wheel adapters. We have tuner lug bolts for those small diameter lug bolt holes. And we have two-piece lug bolts for Porsche, Volvo, some Audi, and Volkswagens. We also have wheel locks. Wheel locks are available in both lug nut and lug bolt configurations. In a lug bolt or a lug nut variation, the idea is the same. You have a round head with grooves and a key that fits over the head, preventing people from being able to steal your wheels. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to visit us at either OtisIncLA.com or RADUSADirect.com, and be sure to call us with any questions you may have toll-free at 888-723-2658. And be sure to tune in every Tuesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Time for Wheel Talk on Stevie Mac Radio at StevieMac.com.